What's going on today, guys? Alan here, and we are back for another video. Today, we're going to be talking about the Obdeleven once again. Today, I have some very exciting news for you. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so Obdeleven has a great sale going on here for the holiday season. You guys definitely need to go and check it out. But right now, for the Pro Pack, which will give you all the abilities to check your diagnostics as well as perform applications and change some things about your Volkswagen car. If you guys are interested in seeing some of the things that you can do, go ahead and check out my video up here above. But this little kit right here for $75.35 US, you can get the Obdeleven with 200 credits already installed. So that's a great offer. I think it's usually like $80 just for the Obdeleven. So you get the Obdeleven with the 200 credits automatically in your account for $75.
Wow! That's a low price!
I'm sorry, did you say something about a low price?
Wow! That's a low price! I know!
See? That's great, but that's actually not what we're here to talk about today. Today, we are actually going to be talking about a few really cool things on the application itself, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up for you guys. And as you guys see, this is your typical Obdeleven screen. However, for some of you guys, I know some people use some of you guys will be using tablets and different odds and ends that way. Some cool news, you guys can actually go to the settings now and switch it to portrait mode. Simple little fun little thing you guys can change now. Personally, I like the portrait mode better, but some people might like the landscape mode more for while you're using a big tablet. But that's not even the best part, guys. Let's go ahead and change this back. If we go ahead and go back to the main screen here, you guys can now go into your garage, click on your vehicle, and if you look down on the bottom, there's something new down there called the Parts Market Beta. Now, what this is Obdeleven actually started up their own store within the application where you guys can sell and buy things directly from other Obdeleven users, which is really cool. It makes it a neat little place that you guys can just go on and quickly buy and get some cool things for your car. Currently on there, we have some Boston wheels. Oh, I'd love to give me a set of those, but don't think my wife's going to let me get some pair of wheels just yet. Plus, I need... Exactly. But we need to get low first anyway. There's also some headlights in there. Not a whole lot yet. This is the beta system, so it will be hitting it. The market will be hitting a lot better, but it is super easy to go in and add some items to your shop. So we'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that now.
So this is the actual parts market here. Let's just say we're looking for a set of Boston wheels. So we'll type that in the search bar in the top, and there the Boston wheels pop up. You can see a little description about the wheels, what they're compatible with, and just some general information about the wheels. Now, let's say we want to go through and actually add our own thing for sale. Let's say, for example, I'm going to be using my P3 gauges boost gauge. So what I'll do is press the little green button on the right-hand side, and it'll pop up this little image here. Just click the right and add an image. We're going to look for a picture. I think I have a picture on here somewhere of my boost gauge. There it is. And we'll click on that and center it up, add it, and then we can go ahead and add a price. So let's say I'm going to sell this thing for 200 bucks. Make sure we hit US because that's where I'm at. And you can kind of hit what market or what condition it's in, add some part numbers, description. I'm just going to say that it's a P3 gauge boost gauge. You can also list down below what vehicles it's compatible with. Enter your general location. I'm going to do that in a minute so I can block out where you guys, so you can't see exactly where I live because I don't need people showing up my front porch. And make sure you enter a title. It won't let you actually submit it unless you have a title. So go back to the top right here and add a title. So P3 gauges, boost gauge, or just P3 gauges. There we go. And we'll go down to the bottom. And with some quick editing, we enter and show you guys that I'm in Columbus. You don't see my exact location, but there you can kind of enter a location of where you're selling this product at. You can also list your email, your phone number, and a little bit of that. And you can see it costs 10 credits. So Once you get everything done, it'll cost just 10 credits to post your post, and there you go. It's that simple to add things to the parts market.
Alright guys, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this quick little video on the parts market that is now available on Obdeleven's application. Hopefully you guys go and check it out, see what all it has to offer. Also, make sure you guys do go ahead and pick up yourself an Obdeleven for the holiday season. They are marked down now, so go ahead and get one now. There's no reason not to. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you guys think. Take it easy, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.